Hello, roller skaters. Today we're in a bowl and we are going to talk about two different ways of doing a transfer over a hip, a 90-degree transfer from forward to fakie or backwards over a hip, in this case this hip, right here in the bowl. So I'm going to show the way I do it, and then Kev's going to show the way he does it, and then y'all can try out both ways and figure out what way you like best, or maybe you like both. All right, so I do my hip transfer with a little jump, and in this case I'm going to be jumping a quarter turn to the right, like so. But because I'm landing going fakie or backwards, you want to be really comfortable rolling fakie. You also want to be really comfortable pumping forward and fakie before you do this. And I want to keep in mind that when I land, if I'm too far forward, I'm going to slide down and fall. If I'm too far back, I'm going to tip back. But you kind of have to lean back a little bit when you land going fakie or backwards. So you have to kind of play with that. But I start small. So I'm going to roll up to the wall, carve, and make a little jump over this hip, trying to show what I mean. But just a little jump, like not a big jump, okay?
All right.
Ready? Let's try
see it.
Okay.
Starting real low. Okay.
And then you pump. All right. How's that?
Nice.
Now I'm going to try to get a little more speed. And again, when I land, it's like, and the way you land, it's up to you. I have my left foot forward, right foot back was how I stagger my feet. You know, you might be the other way. But for jumping this way, when I land, I really want to bend my knees, kind of drop my hips, and hinge forward at my hips a little bit, but not too much. Like, you kind of have to kind of play with that axis, I guess, when you land, so that you roll fakie smoothly. And that takes practice, but again, starting slow, going low. Let's try that again.
Nice.
A little bit more. Now I think I'm going to try to get out of the bowl and drop in and do it with a bit more speed.
Okay.
All right, let's try that. First I got to get out.
All right. Getting out's a task too. Good job.
All right, ready?
Yep.
Yeah.
Let's see it. So you drop in and you're going up on the bank, getting some speed. Ooh, yeah.
Woo!
Nice.
It almost leads me into a fakie carve in a way, which is a whole other fun video. All right, now Kev is going to show his version.
I'm going to do it. I do it
Ready?
with my hands.
All right. Where do you want me to be, Kev?
Oh, same spot.
All right.
I'm sweating like crazy, but we'll see.
Kev does a hand plant.
I do a hand.
His is really cool. All right, so what's your technique, Kev? Throw your sweat towel and...
Maybe come a little closer.
A little closer?
So I just start practicing going rock fakie, pumping frontwards to fakie.
Okay.
Okay, and then I'm gonna, when I ultimately do my hand plant, I'm gonna do a hand plant. I'm gonna grab the coping and transfer my lower body just like jazz. Okay.
All right.
But I gotta get more speed. So I basically work up and just pump to the point where you're almost touching that coping.
Yeah.
And you'll see when I go to do my hand plant, my back foot, I go on my toe stop and kick off of it. All right? So we'll try it. More speed.
Oh.
Now I go feet.
Yeah.
We'll get more speed. Back and forth.
Ooh.
What you do is you bring your legs, your knees up to you when you go to do it. And you jump off the toe stop and lift up your knees and reach across and then turn yourself to a 90-degree and land fakie. Okay? That's basically the trick. Now I'm going to drop in like Jazz did.
Yeah, let's see it. I can see why having good pumping technique is so important for this, right? All right.
So right where you're at.
All right.
So come, yeah.
Ready?
All right.
Let's see it. Here comes Kev. Ooh!
So fun.
That's really cool looking.
Yeah, that's really fun. So those are two ways to do a 90-degree transfer, front to fakie. I think Jazz's is much harder than mine, but
I think yours is much harder than mine.
both fun. So hopefully you guys found this video fun and helpful and useful. So thanks for checking it out. Hit them likes and please subscribe. Until next time, you guys. We'll see you later. Have a great day. Bye.